So welcome back to Amped RC and our Rock Crawler Advent Calendar build. We are on day 17. Sorry, I can't keep moving my arms when I talk. Sorry, I keep doing it. Anyway, day 17. As you can see, we're most way through the build. We've got 17 down here, nice little tiny window. There's not really much to show. This is the car as it stands so far. It's a 1/18th scale, so to be fair, it's a good size. Okay, let's get on to window 17. Right, what is this going to be? Oh, okay, yeah, I see it straight away. Oh, is that it? Oh, don't do us dirty like that. Okay, so what day 17 is some little tiny screws and a single piece of Lexan. Just one piece. So this is how they've stretched it out over 24 days, because this one little piece of Lexan goes there. That is it. That is today's build. Okay, right. Well, let's crack on with it. And there we go. That is the front bit of Lexan on. Not really much to show. It was just 4 screws and a bit of Lexan. The one thing I do not like that they've done is you might just be able to see. You might just be able to see there. They've used countersunk screws on a flat piece of Lexan. Now you either need to ream that hole out so they sit flush, or give us button head screws. Oh well, but yeah, one piece of Lexan. Granted, earlier in the video they gave us one little piece of plastic and that was it, but this is how they've spread it over 24 days. But it's starting to look, well, I say starting to look, it is an actual car now. It's yeah. Anyway, not really much else to say about that. It's been a nice short video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.